So in the last part, we have seen how to assign values to an array, how to use random class, and how to use enhanced for loop. Now what we will do here is we'll try to check what are the type of errors we can get here. So you can see in the last part, I tried to fetch the value which is 25th element, right? But let's say instead of writing 24 here, what if I write 52? Now since the array size is 50, right, and we are trying to fetch the value which is of 53rd element. So if I run this, you can see there is an error. Now this error or exception, this says array index out of bound exceptions. Okay, so this is the inbuilt exception in Java. This is type of unchecked exception. So if you don't know what is exception, you can check out my playlist on exception handling. So this is array index out of bound exceptions. So why it is out of bound is because the size of your array is 50 and we are trying to fetch the element which is 52. So what we need to do is we can simply check here instead of printing those that error there. So what we can do is we can say try and catch so that we can print exception with our own words. So we can say system.println and we can say maximum index is 49. To specify it as 52 or 50, we need to use 49. We cannot use 52, so it will print maximum index is 49. So if I run this code now, so instead of printing the error, it's printing all the values, and for that line it is printing 49, and that's the advantage of using exception handling. Okay, even you can also use here array index out of bound exception. So instead of using direct exception, you can use array index out of bound exception E, so that you can specify this particular problem. So this exception here is unchecked. So whenever you work with array, it generates unchecked exception. So we have to use something like try and catch to handle it. Clear? So this is how you have to work with a single dimensional array. So in the next part, we'll talk about two-dimensional array. So thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe for the further videos.